Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to search for jobs on LinkedIn. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the LinkedIn official website. Click the jobs icon on your homepage and enter keywords like engineering or social media, accounts, titles, skills, or company names in the search bar. Also ensure your profile is updated for better suggestions. You'll see relevant job postings based on your criteria. Use filters to refine results and enable job alerts if desired. Click on a posting to view job description and apply if it fits your needs. LinkedIn features different types of job postings which you can explore further, like Easy Apply, which is within the LinkedIn platform, or Applying Outside, which is the company's website. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.